shorty throw that out. Easy text me on Snapchat.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how I'm going to do my facial at home, the skincare products I'll be using. That's what I'll be showing you guys, and how to remove. So I have some bad hair, like all this white things. I'll be taking it out like all over my nose. I have it a lot, so I'll be showing you all the skincare products I will be using.
Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound.
So guys, this is what my face looks like after steaming, and the purpose of this is for the pores to come outside, like all this white hair to come outside and sterilize your face. Your face looks so soft before you apply any kind of skincare. I always like to do this once every week, like once in a week. I like to do it weekend when I'm at some like food day. I like to do my skincare, like my skincare, guys. First of all, what we'll be using my scrub to exfoliate my face. Like this is scrub I will be using. I have a body scrub and face scrub separate. Yes, I don't use my body scrub for my face. I do separate DIY for my face scrub and for my body scrub. So in here you have your honey, you have your banana, and you have your brown sugar. And now I've already made this already. This is what I use. I use this two times every week. That's when I scrub my face, not every day. So I'll be using this lime orange to mix it. So I want to show you all. If you want to know the ingredients I use for this, I'll be leaving it in the description. I will leave it on the screen for you all to see how this thing looks on how it looks. So I'll be putting the honey, the lime orange inside. All this will exfoliate your skin so well. You don't need to, if you don't have money to buy, you have what it takes to do body scrub or face scrub in your kitchen. So this is mine. So after putting the lime orange, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you all can see. So I'll be applying it gently on my face. I bet you this is so good. Like this is what I use for my face. This is what I use for my face, and it's helping me. It will also, the lime orange inside will makes to remove dark spots on your face. Like lime orange does the job. Like let me tell you, lime orange does the job. Like lime orange remove a lot of dark spot on the face. Like it works so marvelous, like so good. So try it and thank me later. You know, I don't tell you what is not working. It might not be, this DIY must not be working for everyone. Yes, it must not be working for everyone. You can try it, it can work for you, but people don't try it and it don't work for them, but it's working for me. And this is what I use to remove my dark spots on my face. As you can see, my face is clean already, so I just use it to remove the dark spots on my face and all that. So, and that is it. This is looking like, this is about like five minutes. This is about 5 minutes. So this is what it looks like. It's already drying. I don't know if you can see. So cute on my face. Wow. Make sure you are using warm water to remove it, because you know you have your honey on your face. You know, honey can be sticky on the face, so you need warm water. I'm using this to remove some things from my face. See, this is what it looks like. I'll be using this, my scrub and mascara. This one is, it consists of 3 things. So
Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you deep water. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Drowning in an endless sea. Take some time and stay with me. Keep me in the strength of your arms. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to.
guys, are you seeing my face? Like, this is after washing, and I will be using my face, this is my face towel that I'll be using for my face. Like, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Like, my face is so bright, so soft, like bread. The Ordinary. So this is what I'll be using. Face looks so good right now. Looks so good. And our CeraVe moisturizing lotion, this is what I will be using. So guys, let's go. This, I think this is too much. So guys, what did you think? What did you think about those fresh child? So this is what my face looks like. So bright, bright and moisturized. I cannot do away with this. So I'll be using this for my lips. And a little bit under eyes. I don't have cream for under eyes, so I decided to be using my Vaseline. So, and it's working for me, especially those people that do makeup a lot. You need Vaseline. So because me, I do makeup a lot. Yes, so if you do makeup a lot, you need Vaseline. or to subscribe. If you enjoy watching this video, let me know in the comment section this video, guys. I will see you all on my next video. Okay, bye.